Relief from vertigo and balance problem. I have had vertigo and balance problems for almost 1 year. It started October 16th, 2013. I've been to 2 ENTs, locally first, Meniere's disease. His solution was low salt diet, prednisone, Valium, Bowling Green neurologist. I went to him and he said it could be multiple sclerosis, it could be spinal compression, it could be Guillain-Barré syndrome, or it could be memory malformation. And that he was gonna try to test for it, but I was getting so bad that we went ahead and went to Vanderbilt neurologists. It was a team, mostly of people learning, but it was a team. And they did a spinal tap, which I had a very, very bad reaction to. They call it a spinal migraine, but I would almost say it was worse than that because I couldn't hear. If you've ever been underwater and you try to hear people outside of water, that's what it sounded like to me after I had the spinal tap. I was supposed to only be in the hospital 2 days, and I was in there a total of 8 days. I couldn't see very well. Definitely couldn't walk. Right, and they were checking for multiple sclerosis. They checked everything they could possibly check. Quite extensive. They tried me on a medication called acetazolamide. It's for high altitude sickness. Tried on people with Meniere's because then they started thinking, well, maybe it is their ears, and it made my blood acidic and almost put me in metabolic acidosis, renal failure. And yeah, so they obviously took me off of that. And I've had, I didn't have a CAT scan there. I had an MRI done there, actually in Glasgow where we live.